Wavy. What's good, niggas? It's your boy JV Wavy. Hey, and we playing Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. The game scary. Jump scares be hidden. It's not too hard. I'll be lost as fuck. But hey, we finna have fun though. Let's go.
Yo JV, get me a PS5 for Christmas.
Nigga, I don't even have one. Run, nigga. Shit. Bro. Ain't no way. Nigga. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god.
Where are you?
Oh my fucking
Our
god.
friendly security staff can help.
Oh my god. Fucking god. I don't think it worked.
Where
She kind of bad though. Is that Frost?
this area is ours.
Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm scared of her. What if she hit me with some bullshit and run back up these motherfuckers full fucking speed, bro? Shut your bitch ass up. I hate her. Where the Glock at, bro? Where he like to go? Fuck. Shit. Where do I run?
Gregory, your parents want you to
Bitch.
follow
Bad. Depression. Bro, please do not catch me. This bitch! Come here, boy! She saw me! She moving! This bitch fast!
Freddy, I found the free gift. Yes! The magnet scrambled the machine! Oh man, now it's some kind of daycare pass?
That is great news. I will meet you in the daycare. The entrance is on the second floor balcony.
Use daycare pass to get into daycare. I'm finna go save, bruh. Oh, it's right there. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god.
Is that?
Jordan, this nigga even jumped on these. He didn't jump on these fucking balls. Oh my god.
Friends, you're sure I'm late. Are we having a slumber party?
Oh my god.
Friends? Oh. No. I got so it was the bottom.
I did. Leave me alone.
Not clean. Not. Us in trouble.
Hold on, nigga. I'm saving. Alright, do what you want now, nigga. So this next nigga already saw it. Press and hold either recharge or flashlight. It takes some time to recharge. Hey, my nigga, can you leave me alone? I'm gonna go ahead and keep saving after I do some shit, since it's right here.
No! Why would you do that? Lights on! Lights on! I warned you! I warned you!
The fuck? This nigga on some. This nigga on some. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where the slides at?
I do not know what you did, but the lights are out in the daycare.
Fucking
You need
lost.
to find the emergency backup generators and turn them on. They're in the play structures.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you leave me alone, nigga? How many are they? There's 5. Oh no, yeah, GG, he got me. He said turn the gamma on. What did that do? Oh, I can see you again. I don't need the flashlight. Actually, no. Me. Shut up, nigga. Moon ain't gonna get his ass when we get too close. I'm gonna bonk him on the head with this flashlight. Oh yeah. Oh my, he right there. Look at this nigga. He camping. I bet you was one right there, and he camping on that bitch. But guess what? Bitch ass nigga. Okay, where the other flag? What other? This nigga in here. Ah! Run, nigga. That nigga start moving. Move. Run, little nigga.
Fetch me their soul!
This nigga. Is it 2 of them? No! No! Oh! I don't hear that shit. That nigga, that ass was leaning back. Oh, we got 3. Oh my god. One more. Oh my god. I almost had it. I couldn't find the last one. I couldn't find the last one. The last one. The last one. The last motherfucking one. I was so close. Splash that like button. Subscribe. Check out my Twitch. It's in the description. Alright, niggas.